Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get more storage on your iPhone. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So there are various methods to optimize your space on your iPhone. Now I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest methods on how you can do it, so make sure to watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is you need to launch to a settings application. As you open up your settings application, you'll have a list of options, so then you need to scroll down and then click on general. As you tap on general, next interface, once again you'll be able to see a multiple options. So among the list you need to click on iPhone storage, and after that you'll be able to see a list of files that is stored on your device, and right on this page you'll be able to see the amount of space that an application is taking. Because you need to eliminate those apps that is not in use. So the other step what you can do is, in order to optimize your space, do the same thing, that is head back to your home screen and then open up your settings application, and after that scroll down and then click on photos. And on this page you need to ensure whether there is a blue tick next to the optimized iPhone storage. Now your photos will be automatically saved to your local device in a smaller size. So those were the method on how you can optimize space on your iPhone. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.